Afternoon and Nigeria. Today we will to present the project. The topic is the function, the monotonicity and optimization. Our group consists of Daniel Bravo, Karim Morocho, Natalia Almijos, my person Gladys Huracan.
Introduction.
The project focuses on the study of the monotonicity of function and optimization. There are important tools and environmental engineering for modeling and interpreting the dynamics of natural and artificial variables. We use monotonicity to determine whether a variable increases or decreases over a given interval, and optimization to identify critical points for maximizing efficiency or minimizing recurse. Rigorously adhering to the first and second derivative test.
Application.
The mathematical foundation to always solving this problem lays in the behavior of the first and second derivatives of a real function. The monotonicity of a continuous function fx on an open interval a, b describes whether the function is increasing or decreasing within that interval.
Let x1 and x2 be any 2 points is an interval /switch time x1 less than x2. Swing expression function. A function is strict expression in for all x1 less than x2. Is all style f x1 less than f21. According to first to fix the points where a function range is locally magnitude or finite values. It is important to locally to create critical points and function fx1 less than f12. If f2' less than 0 takes graph or state function in a commanding toward a consonant which amplifies f consonant is a relative magnitude. If f2' greater to 0, take grams of state function and convert outward as consonant, which amplifies f consonant is a relative magnitude. If f2' consonant less than 0, less is consonant and one must resort to take fresh derivatives under this extreme evaluation theorem. Every day continuing functional of closed intervality and to be position of absolute magnitude and consonant magnitude. To mathematically solve states relative plasticity scenarios, the process of set statements is executed. Definition of variables. Definition and independence. Relation of the objective function, the variable requisites to be ambiguous set. Statistics of construction, education base of relative speech limitation. Algebraic reduction of the objective function of cyclo real variable. In ways f and the limitation of the location dimension. Different calcs of the first derivative f' x to fit critical points. Evaluation and comparison is the function values of both the critical points and the points of the closed interval, both the rates of the times f(i) and fb to conserve the data the consonant obtains. Suppose that the temperature of a river remains in degrees Celsius during the first 12 hours of the day were represented 12 in E and the present 12 P. Is a model that by the following 12 T of T equals 1/3 at the common minus 7 the T squared plus the first of the plus 15. Set 1. Calculate the first derivative T. First derivation groups use the rate chain the temperature with the base to the same. T prime of the T equals T squared newtons 14 T plus 40 open the parenthesis T minus for close parenthesis open parenthesis T minus that close parenthesis equals 0. Set 2. Analysis of monotony intervals. 2 hours of either the side or the thing. D prime on the board is the hour interval. To find the midpoint of G interval as the test value. Interval from 12 in C to CM equals 9, 9, 14, the 2 place 14 equals 7 samples. Interval from 2 and 2, say and in. Test value. It is volume from volume the frame of the frame equals the 20, 90, 70, 14 times maximum 5. Interval from the N and the B. Test the values. This is the bend and the base. The prime there T2. 40 times 70 place 14 equals 120 minutes. On 115 for place it guys 7 sign province university. Here is all of the planes the tabla. The temperature rise to for any relative maximum is described starting for 14 any 2 10 any relative minutes. This is a line again trying the 10 any. This is a table show the value of temperature inside. Indication whether the functional is correct. They using the for the trade. When the office is correct, the many the temperature, the raise when the function described, many the temperature drops. According in the table, the temperature increase in the intervals 0, 4, and 8, 12, and describe the 4, 5. This is a show reliability in the maximum around the 4 any, and the relevant minimums in the 8 min.
I go to the present maximum volume of the box. You made a box without a list using a square fixing of the cardboard with seating of the 16 centimeters. Be counting of the square from each of the 4 corners and the following the seating fit the largest volume that is 2x squared. X 1 we derivative d dx and xn equals and xn class 1 divide dx for the general formula x minus b plus the r minus square root of the b square minus 4 a is it and over to add to a x1 Elkins try of the Elkins 10 so x the 10 centers volume the all comforting sign since the L10 Elkins system to design cubic centimeter. We take it the square derivative with volume the prime of the x 400 the a plus 24 8 with w prime of the L to all than 40 less than 0 husband the maximums and the 10 centers.
Conclusion.
Conclusion. The result obtained demonstrates that the first and the second derivative thus ineffective to in solving environmental engineering problems.
And thank you for your attention.